Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Light Upon Light. Today we're doing a simple Arabic lesson. We will be learning about demonstrative pronouns. This is episode 1 of the Beginner Arabic series, where you will learn Arabic easy and clear. So let's begin. Firstly, what are demonstrative pronouns? Let's see. In English, demonstrative pronouns are words like this and that. They show us where things are, far or near. Also, Arabic has special words depending upon gender, masculine or feminine. Before we dive deeper into this topic, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on my channel, Light Upon Light. Here you can see a brief introduction about the chapter. You can see the words this and that in both their masculine and feminine forms. Let's read them, and then we'll dive deeper into each of them separately. هذا, هذه, ذلك, تلك. Let's see their uses in real life in sentences too. Let's start with هذا. It is used when pointing to a close masculine thing. For example, هذا كتاب. This is a book. We find kitabun is a masculine word because hada is only used with masculine words. So in Arabic, the word book, kitabun, is masculine. Hada babun. We find out that over here also, the word babun, the meaning door, is a masculine word. So we conclude by saying that hada is only used with masculine words and it means this. So هذا كتاب, this is a book. هذا باب, this is a door. Then let's go to the feminine form. The feminine form of هذا is هذه. هذه is used when pointing to a close feminine thing. For example, هذه سيارة. This is a car. سيارة, which means a car, is a feminine word. هذه حقيبة. حقيبة, which means a bag, is also a feminine word. So we use هذه with both of them. So we conclude on saying هذه is the word this for feminine words in Arabic. Now we can see the word ذلك. The word ذلك is used when pointing to far masculine things or nouns. For example, ذلك بيت. That is a house. بيت is again a masculine word. That's why we have used ذلك. ذلك جبل. That is a mountain. The word mountain, جبل, is also a masculine word in Arabic. That's why we have used ذلك. Now what about the word after ذلك is female? What will we do? Then we will not put ذلك. Then what do we put? The feminine form of ذلك. What is the feminine form of ذلك? تلك. تلك. تلك is used for feminine far nouns or objects or things. For example, تلك سيارة. سيارة, a car, is a feminine word. That is a car. تلك سيارة. That is a fan. تلك مروحة. So the words سيارة, car, مروحة, fan are both feminine words. That's why we use تلك. So now, what we learned till now is هذا in هذه is the meaning this, which is used for close things or objects or nouns. ذلك and تلك. These are used for the word that, which means for far objects. So, ذلك قلم would mean that pen. So the pen is far away from me. That's why I said ذلك قلم. What about هذا and هذه? Close to me. Let's say هذا كتاب. This is a book. The book is close to me, so I say this. Now remember, This is the main point of the chapter. هذا and هذه are used with this. هذا is masculine, هذه, whereas, is feminine. ذلك and تلك are used for that. ذلك is masculine and تلك is feminine. So now, let's practice. هذا قلم. Why did we use هذا with قلم and not هذه with قلم? We cannot use هذه with قلم as هذه is used with only female nouns. But قلم is a male noun. So, this is a pen in Arabic is هذا قلم. Let's continue reading the next one. ذلك قلم. That is a pen. Why are we not saying تلك قلم? Again, the word القلم or قلم is masculine, not feminine. If there was a feminine word, let's go to the next example, then we'll see that هذه حقيبة. حقيبة is a feminine word. So we use the word هذه, which means this. So هذه حقيبة would mean this is a bag. Next example. تلك حقيبة. Now we want to say that is a bag. We know that حقيبة is a female or feminine word, which means we can only use هذه and تلك with it. هذه for saying this and تلك for saying that. So تلك حقيبة would mean that is a bag. Let's go to the next example. هذا مكتب. Again we find out the word مكتب is masculine, not feminine, so we have used هذا. And in the next example, you can see we have used ذلك. هذا مكتب means this is a desk, and ذلك مكتب means that is a desk. هذا again is used with only masculine words, and ذلك also is used with masculine words. The difference between هذا and ذلك is their meaning. هذا is used for this, ذلك is used for that. هذه زهرة and تلك زهرة. We find out the word زهرة is feminine or female, and that's why we have used the words هذه and that تلك. هذه and تلك both are used with only feminine words. So we find out that هذه زهرة and تلك زهرة are both feminine. So هذه زهرة means this is a flower, and تلك زهرة, that is a flower. So we distinguish between هذه and تلك by their meaning. هذه means this, تلك means that. Finally, it's time for a quiz. Let's hope this is a very interactive quiz. So I will show a word and you need to guess if we use ذلك, هذه, هذا, or تلك. I'll show you a word and I'll tell you if it's close or far. According to that, you need to tell me which word do we use. Question number 1. سيارة, and it says close. If we look back on the examples, we find out سيارة is a feminine word and it is close to us. So we will say this is a car. سيارة means a car. So we will say this is a car because the car is close to us. So to say this is a car in Arabic, how do we say it? هذا or هذه? No, not هذا. It is هذه because هذه is used for feminine words and هذا is used for masculine words. Now let's do the next one. جبل. It is a masculine word and it is far away from us. So we have to say that is a jabal. Jabal means a mountain. That is a mountain. How will we say that in Arabic? You are absolutely right. ذلك جبل. Not تلك جبل. Why not تلك جبل? Yes, this is because the word جبل is masculine and not feminine. Next word, زهرة. The word زهرة means flower. So we find out the word زهرة is female and it is far away from us. So we need to say that is a flower. زهرة is female and it has the meaning flower. So how will we say it? You are right. تلك زهرة. That is a flower. Lastly, baytun. It is a masculine word and it is close to us. So we have to say this is a house. So we'll say هذا baytun. This is a house, not هذه, because baytun is masculine. Great job! Today you have learned تلك, ذلك, هذا, and هذه. Let's quickly recall. تلك is used with the word that, feminine words, which means it is far away from you. ذلك is used again with the word that, but for masculine words, which is also far away from you. The word هذه is used for this, with feminine words, and it is used for something which is close to you. Lastly, هذا is used for this with masculine words. Again, this thing or object or noun should be close to you. Practice every day and your Arabic will be amazing. مع السلامة. See you next time.